Doo, doo, doo. Oh, yeah. That's perfect. That is beautiful. Let us take off. Nice. Let's go up. See how far it will allow me to go. Wow, look at this beautiful sight. Look at that. Gonna press record. Look at everyone.
Where are you?
Yes.
Look, it's
I
getting lower.
really wanted to get slow, slow.
Bonito sa chico. Wait, stop moving.
Shay, you guys move back.
Don't
Yeah, there
touch.
we
You
go.
will.
That's the shot I want, just like that. Ooh, that's beautiful.
Hey, move.
And now I'm going to get everybody here. We're just going to turn slowly.
Joseph. Wait. Tolong tengok. Syukuri. Okay, tolong tengok.
There goes me.
They can see.
Wait, Mamam. Balik kanan. Wait,
Kana.
Now go eat. Boy, kana. Kana. Tolong aku kana. Boy. Shay.
And
Boy, aku kana. Aku kana.
gonna try to go to the
Liza. Okay, kana.
tent a little bit.
Kana.
Yep,
Kana. Yeah.
it looks good. You keep it rolling. Awesome.
Tara.
Gua. Hey, Benji, your sister will touch it. Lini.
That's his sister.
Yes.
I just want to get everybody here slowly. Beautiful. And then I'm just gonna
Oh, the
come
baby will touch it.
Hey, that one will touch it.
Look behind you.
Wait, tell your sister don't touch it.
Lini, stop touching it. Let's go to the other side. Are we going inside?
The lemon says.
Hey, Yalaka. Hey,
And then I'm gonna go this way
Yalaka.
so that I can go back up.
Cut Inaka's head. Good. Oh, that's fast. Wait,
We're gonna get a very good shot of this beautiful land. You see that?
yes. Go to the pool.
Just don't get
Go to the pool. The pool is over there.
don't get so
No.
close.
It will not connect. The pool is over there. Sinrawa. What connection?
Awesome.
Look at this.
Beautiful. Wow, look at that.
Go a little bit higher.
This is amazing.
The road. Hey, that one right there. That's that road. Oh, very high. What's the?
Now, careful.
It's higher. Very high. Go very high. Go very high. Wow! That's very high. Yeah, it's very high.
I want to get that mountainside.
Make it to see us. Look down. Make it to see us. Look down. Look down.
Trying to get the mountain.
Hey, this is the phone.
Trying to get the mountain.
Mountain there. Look. Mountain is that side.
Gonna go really slow.
I think this is like.
Hey, you're on my shoe.
Shoot.
Your foot was on my shoe. There we go. Yes, ma'am.
I can see. Yes.
You want to see?
Why the pool?
Let me get lower so you can see. Just stand back a little bit.
Yeah, that's not pool. Husband. Our pool.
Actually,
don't
I'm gonna go back up.
Yeah, we cannot go to the pool. It's not our pool.
You have some sneezing issues there.
Hey, the drone is very high. Wow, it's right on top there. It's right on top there.
And here we have.
A mountain.
Are these? Hey, are these sugar canes or what is this?
Sugar canes.
The sugar cane?
Yeah. Sugar cane. Yeah, that's where the
So these are sugar cane fields.
all the trains go there.
Hmm?
All the trains go there to get the sugar and go to the shop to sell it.
No, you're just getting too close. Just stand off a little bit. Right there is good. There we go. Now I can bend. You just don't get too close because you're coughing. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can see?
Yeah. Yeah, I can see all the world. Next. Hey.
There we go. Beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, can you go down? Very, very.
Just gonna go.
He's down.
Just gonna go up a little bit more.
Hey, can reach to the helicopter. How about if it go until the clouds? I can shoot that thing. It's good. Jesus. Wow, it's not going to Jesus. They're going to Hey, that thing gonna fall. No, it's not. Gonna fall in the tree. No, it's not.
Just gonna do a little bit of it. Yes, ma'am.
I can see. I can
want-
see us. It can
You
see
want to
us.
see?
It can see us. It's a group of people.
You want to see?
Yeah.
You're coughing.
It's going with the road.
You're coughing.
It's going with the road.
I can't get too close. You're coughing. You're coughing.
You. Lini, don't get closer. Look, people. It's good with a tree. It's right there. Who's there on top? There I can see. Oh, this is where all the people use to fix stuff.
Hmm? What'd you say?
You can see the center.
Yep. What is that?
That's all the buy. But that's where you buy all the stuff and things.
No, touching because you cough too. You cough a lot. So I can show you, but you're just stand back a little bit. Stand back a little bit. Now you're good. Just don't get too close because you're coughing. Yeah? Yeah. See that?
Oh, that's a river.
That's a river?
All the boats go there in Men's Hinder village.
Do you fish there too or no?
I know. Here's my first time. Yeah, the chicken kids there.
No fishing there?
There's fish. Yeah, that's fish there.
People fish?
Yeah. Other people fish there.
Do you ever go to the mountains or no?
Mountains, yeah. It's very high. Yeah.
You ever go to the mountains?
Yeah. Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
How often? When's the last time you went to the mountains?
Me?
Yeah.
And I was 3 years old.
That was a long time ago.
No, two years old. I went to the mountain.
All right, now we bring the drone back down. We got a good amount of recording. Yes.
Down there.
Just don't get too close.
Where's that drone? Where's that? Oh, but hey, don't touch me. Whoa.
We'll go cinematic mode so that I can just. I'm gonna land it right here. So jump off. There we go. Jump off, so I can land it. Nope. That was close. That almost went off. Thank you, everyone.
That was fine. What is this? Yo, I had one like that.
You did?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Ooh, that looked good. And that is how you fly a drone in
Kids.
Fiji. So, really wanted to capture much of the sugarcane field that's back there because I think it was really beautiful. And then we captured a lot of the mountain view. Beautiful, absolutely splendid mountain view. That's pretty much a whole 360 field everywhere you look. So child is staring at me. But this is all good practice to get comfortable anywhere and any environment that you go to. Other than that, I'm going to end the video off here. Peace.